welcome to my channel. It's your girl Princess, and in this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and if you want to know how to do it, then just keep watching. First I'm taking the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray and spraying it on my face. Then I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover X Face Primer and priming my face with it. I'm also taking Benefit's Professional Primer and applying it in certain areas. I like to apply it on my nose, my forehead, my chin and my cheeks. For foundation, I'm taking Huda Beauty Foundation in the shade Toffee. First, I'm buffing it with a kabuki brush. Then I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and blending it all out. I used Makeup Forever Camouflage Concealer to conceal under my eyes. Then I used Girl Pro Conceal to conceal my smile lines around my lips and highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead, the sides of my forehead and my chin. Then I'm taking Mercier Secret Brightening Powder to set all that concealer under my eyes, on my smile lines and around my lips. Then I'm taking Mercier Loose Setting Powder to set all of that foundation and concealer on my face. For eyebrows, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. To prime my eyelids, I used Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. For eyeshadow, I am taking Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette. Taking the shade Eden, I am blending it above the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Taking the shade Saffron, I am applying it right on the crease with the blending brush. I'm also taking it slightly above the crease. Taking the color Amethyst, I'm applying it on the lids with a large shader brush. Taking the color Blazing, I'm blending it above the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Taking the color Oud, I am applying it on the outer lids. Also taking it slightly into the crease. Taking the color Twilight, I am applying it on the middle of the lids with my fingers. To line my eyelids, I used MAC's Liquid Lash Liner. For lashes, I used Huda Beauty Scarlet No. 8 lashes, and this is how they look. To line my lips, I used the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in 5C, and for lipstick, I used Huda Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Muse, and this is how it looks. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and taking these two shades, I'm contouring my face. Taking only this shade, I'm contouring my nose. Then I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit and taking the color Forever Young, I'm highlighting my face with it. In case you want to reduce the highlight or just want to make it look a little bit more natural, then you can use some loose powder on top of it or just use a damp beauty blender to blend it out a little. I'm also highlighting my collarbones. Then I'm using the Urban Decay oil-free makeup setting spray to set all of that makeup. Then I'm just setting my hair. If you try out this makeup look, then let me know in the comment section below. You can keep the lips matte or you can add pigment. From the Desert Dusk palette again, I'm taking the color Twilight and applying it on my lips with my fingers. I forgot to do it before the setting spray, so I did it now, and this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell right beside the subscribe button to turn on notifications. So this is it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.